System 3 Retrofit Kit comes with the bottom manifold. This will fit down on the existing pipes coming out of the filter, and the top part will be for the 3 cartridges that fit on top of it. Okay, these cartridges are made by Eaton Equipment. They're XL cartridge filters. They have really good bands, they're really strong. They also have point bond polyester, so they're not some cheap generic cartridge. They're really high quality filter media with lots of fibers. The top is antimicrobial, and you can see the core of the filter also is antimicrobial, and it's a open flow core versus a punched PVC type core of the cartridge. So this is the best flow you're going to get of any filter type out there. The cartridge filter up close, you can see that this is really well made. This is almost like a cloth material. That's what it feels like when you rub against it with your hand. And again, the core is an open flow core, so it has a lot more water flow through it. And so these filters are unique also because their top of them are actually capped off. So the System 3 Retrofit Kit is actually a high quality product by Eaton Equipment. I'm going to install the System 3 Retrofit Kit in this Sta-Rite System 3 filter. You can see it's in an equipment room, which makes it hard to clean the existing cartridges. It's a good sized pool here at this account. So the System 3 filters are made by Sta-Rite. You'll see their label on the filter like this here. Before you order the Retrofit Kit, look at the System 3 filter itself, and you can see the filtration area is marked here. This is the 450 square foot filter. And here's the System 3 300 square foot filter. You can see the label here. It says filtration area, and it has 300 square feet. Okay, so I'm going to pull these two out. So wish me luck here. This is not going to be the easiest task. Now here comes the large one, and this one's extremely heavy. I'll do my best to get it out. Step over the pump, pipes here. Ah, jeez. So this is the old style cartridge here. You can see that it's heavy, large. You can also see the interior doesn't have any kind of plastic holding it together, so it's kind of coming apart. So not the most efficient way to filter your pool. The retrofit filters look smaller, but they're going to give you the same 450 square foot filter area. Okay, you can see here inside the System 3 filter, after they took those cartridges out, you can see the 2 pipes. You can see the 2 matching pipes on the Retrofit Kit. They'll slide right over those, and there's O-rings on those. Make sure the O-rings on the pipes coming out of the System 3 are in good shape. I'm going to go and spray some silicone lube around these O-rings here so the pipes will slide down over it. Okay, so we'll slide it right down. I'm going to put the pipes right over those 2 sticking out of the System 3 filter. And make sure it sets over the O-rings on the existing pipes. Yeah, I kind of pushed down really hard on this one because the O-rings on this filter are a little bit old. You see that it's over the existing O-ring pipes. But this thing is on here good. The bottom manifold is not moving at all. So make sure the bottom pipes are covering the pipes coming out of the filter and over the O-rings themselves. And you'll stick it right onto that manifold there. You'll know it's on good when you put the cartridges on. When you push down on the cartridge, the bottom manifold shouldn't move at all. If it moves, you know that it's not on there properly. Take the cartridges out and reposition the bottom manifold. Then here's the last cartridge going on there. And again, if the manifold's on there good, you'll push the cartridge on there and it's not going to move. And that's what your System 3 filter looks like after you put the System 3 Retrofit Kit in. So let me get this lid back on and I'll fire it up. And I have a specific video on my channel on how to take this apart and clean it. Okay, get everything back together and we fire this up. See, the automatic cleaner is moving really good. I actually lowered the suction down after installing the new cartridges. With the cleaner working on the side port, you can see the skimmer suction is really excellent with the System 3 Retrofit Kit. So it's giving the pool great flow right now. So when it's time to replace your Sta-Rite System 3 cartridges, I would definitely go with the System 3 Retrofit Kit by Eaton Equipment. The XL cartridge filter is superior over the factory filter cartridge here, and it'll make it much easier for you to clean your filter. So that's a quick look at the installation process of the System 3 Retrofit Kit by Eaton Equipment.